Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the garage. This week we are getting the bed Line-X, as you can probably not see because of the glare. The bed came just factory paint, so we're gonna go ahead and get that I guess coated or sprayed with Line-X. I had that on the last truck. I waited forever to get that on the last truck and I loved it, so we're gonna go ahead and do that again with this one. So I'm just waiting for the truck to warm up here a little bit, and we'll head on over to Ultimate Linings of San Jose. If you're in the San Jose area, definitely recommend them. They do a really good job. Really make sure everything gets covered perfectly, and the price is pretty reasonable as well. I mean, I've had experience spraying Rhino liner, not Rhino, Raptor liner on the bed drawer that I made for the Chevy, and that was noxious. I mean, it smells pretty bad, but it does an okay job. I wouldn't probably spray it in the bed. Raptor liner looks pretty good, but from my experience personally, Line-X is a little bit more durable, a little bit better finish to it, and for this truck, it's probably, it's definitely what I prefer for the bed as opposed to like an aftermarket add-on. So gonna head on over, get that going. Once we get that sprayed, I'll show you guys the finished product and how it looks. What's up, guys? We are back here in the afternoon picking up the truck, and got Ultimate Linings sign behind me. They did a great job, as they did on the last one. It looks really, really nice. I'll go ahead and flip you guys around now and show you. All right, here it is. We've got the brand new Line-X coating in here. It is already dry and it'll be cured tomorrow, so you can throw any kind of a pallet and such in here in about 24 hours. So much better look, way tougher, and first of many upgrades I'm going to be doing to the bed here. Looking at a bed cover and possibly some rack, sort of a bike rack to go or a ski rack to go on top of it. Not sure yet what I'm going to do. Still thinking about that, but review to come as soon as I figure that out and got one in. Right now though, the sort of Line-X coating I'm very happy with. It's got sharp lines, tailgate operates as it's supposed to. All the way down you can see it's just operated perfectly. Coverage is excellent. So again, Ultimate Linings in San Jose if you're local, and they'll set you up. I think the price for this 6'4" inch, they call it a short bed, is about $600 out the door. So considering it would be about $200 plus the cost of a spray gun if you don't have one for the Raptor liner kit, and a whole bunch of time, this just makes more sense to me, especially with the product being a little more premium, in my opinion. So if you enjoyed this little review, if you have any questions about the Line-X in general, give it a thumbs up down below, comment if you have any questions, and as always, subscribe for more.